The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is creating a buzz in the action camera world, and for good reason. As DJI gears up to unveil this anticipated upgrade, the excitement among enthusiasts and tech aficionados is palpable. Known for its innovative approach and user-centered design, DJI's latest action camera promises to raise the bar. This comprehensive guide will delve into every aspect of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, including release date predictions, leaked information, and anticipated features. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors, fueling speculation about its potential features and improvements. While DJI has been tight-lipped about official details, industry insiders have been buzzing with information. It is expected that the Osmo Action 5 Pro will offer significant upgrades over its predecessors, aiming to cater to both professional content creators and casual users. One of the most anticipated pieces of information is the release date of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Based on DJI's previous product cycles and industry patterns, it's likely that the camera will be unveiled in late 2024. DJI has a history of offering high-performance products at reasonable prices, and the Action 5 Pro is likely to follow this trend. This pricing strategy could make it an attractive option for action camera enthusiasts seeking advanced features without breaking the bank. Building on the success of previous models, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is anticipated to offer even better image stabilization, making it ideal for capturing smooth, professional quality footage during high-intensity activities. Leaks suggest that the new action camera will come equipped with a more advanced sensor, potentially offering higher resolution and better low-light performance. Battery performance is a critical factor for action cameras, and the Osmo Action 5 Pro is rumored to feature a more durable battery, allowing for longer recording times. Factors such as ease of use, durability, and overall value for money are essential. The Osmo Action series has been praised for its user-friendly design, and the Action 5 Pro is expected to continue this trend with enhancements aimed at improving the overall user experience. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the action camera market. With significant improvements and new features on the horizon, it's clear that DJI is aiming to set a new standard in action camera technology. As we await the official release, the anticipation continues to build, with enthusiasts and professionals alike eagerly awaiting the chance to get their hands on this cutting-edge device. Stay tuned for more updates on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news, reviews, and in-depth analyses of the newest tech gadgets. Share your thoughts and predictions about the Osmo Action 5 Pro in the comments below. What features are you most excited about?